Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most exciting pre-built gaming PCs I've seen lately, the ViprTech Reaper 2.5 liquid-cooled PC. Before we jump into the full breakdown, make sure to check the link below to grab yours today at the best discounted price available. This is a deal you won't want to miss. Alright, let's start with the brains of the operation, the AMD Ryzen 7 8700F. This is an 8-core, 16-thread processor that brings incredible speed and efficiency to the table. Whether you're running high FPS competitive games, streaming your gameplay, editing 4K videos, or handling heavy multitasking, this CPU delivers smooth, consistent power without breaking a sweat. For graphics, we're talking about the AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT with 16GB of GDDR5 RAM, and this is where things get wild. With 16GB of video memory, you can max out textures, run ray tracing, and enjoy ultra settings at 1440p and even 4K. This GPU is a beast for AAA titles and VR, delivering gorgeous visuals with buttery smooth frame rates. Now, performance like that needs speed in every part of the system, and the 32GB of DDR5 6400 MHz RAM is exactly what you want. DDR5 isn't just fast, it's insanely fast, and 6400 MHz means your games, applications, and workflows will respond instantly. You'll have no trouble running multiple demanding programs side by side without slowdown. Storage is another huge one here. The 2TB NVMe SSD gives you lightning-fast load times and more than enough space for your entire game library, plus work files, videos, and media. You won't be worrying about running out of space anytime soon. One of the standout features of the Reaper 2.5 is the liquid cooling system. This isn't just about looking cool, though, let's be honest, it looks amazing. It's about keeping your CPU temperatures low and performance high, even during extended gaming marathons. Pair that with the 1000 watts Gold-rated PSU, and you've got stable, efficient power delivery with room to upgrade down the line. Connectivity is also top-notch with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, meaning you can hook up all your devices and accessories wirelessly with ease. And of course, this PC is fully VR ready, so you can dive into immersive worlds right away. Visually, the ViprTech Reaper 2.5 is stunning: sleek case design, tempered glass side panel, and customizable RGB lighting that makes your setup look like a true battle station. It's the kind of build that turns heads whether you're streaming or just showing it off to friends. To sum it up, the ViprTech Reaper 2.5 is built for gamers and creators who demand high-end performance, premium cooling, and future-proof specs. This isn't just a PC, it's a performance powerhouse ready to take on anything you throw at it. And remember, check the link below for the best deal available right now. Don't wait too long, because high-end rigs like this move fast.